Jimmy, you don't like to play soccer? Pig soccer? Just Kizzy. Kizzy wins!
Hello my friend, I hope you do this fine. Today we're gonna work on a different project. Well, it's always a lot of work for me because I can do like a normal person, but I'm gonna explain you a little bit about this project. We're gonna make a chicken feeder out of this Lowe's 5-gallon bucket. We're gonna make 4 holes so we can put these feeders. This one actually goes in the bucket in like this. Then inside, well, they come with 4 of these washers. You put this on the inside. Then tie them up from inside. And they also come on, so this for these feeders, when they're in the bucket, they're gonna look like this. The reason they're gonna look like this, so if you put them outside, the rain don't go inside. So this one go inside the bucket like this. This one tied. I'm gonna put one together and see what it's gonna look like. It's gonna look like that. Like this. This make sure you don't put this side out. This side where it looks more straight, that side goes out. And also coming with 4 on this side. And you decide, like, when you put your chickens up, or you decide to cover them up for any reason, you just push this thing in down here, so the other animals no come and eat your chicken food. Yeah, easy to put them in, and easy to come out. Just push them in and put them out. You see when you want your chicken, or you want to leave them open, it's gonna look like that. And we just got this bucket yesterday in Lowe's, and my wife ordered this, and this one coming with this, I don't know what you call it.
Hole saw.
So you don't have to go buy this part separate. They come in with a order. So somewhere in here, you can see I started making first hole right there. Ta-da! What are you supposed to say?
Ta-da!
Or you supposed to say boom chakalaka?
Whatever makes your boat float.
Well, this coming out of there. You might be used to this for something else.
We will. When you put tarp down, you can use that.
Yeah, you put
Put a
something
screw
you
right
want,
through
something
it.
you want to keep together, like
Mhm.
your chicken fins or something else.
Yep. We don't waste anything.
No, you always, well, we always use it for something else.
Yep.
All right, that's
Sure.
what it's gonna be 4 holes like this. So I know you don't want to watch me do every hole, because it's taking me time to mark exactly where they're gonna go. So
So you finish your holes and we'll be right back.
yeah. Sit, Jima, 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 sit, Jima.
Miguel, she's got bones back there. She is not going to concentrate on what you're trying to say because she's too worried about Kizzy getting her bones. You got the little rubber washer on there.
You see from there?
Yep, I see it.
Alright, like I say in the beginning, the long, you see one part is more long. It goes out. You screw this. Alright, this is what it's gonna look like. The chicken gonna come down here, get the foot out of here. Alright, so I got 3 more to go. Do the same thing. Put your washer. Put it in. Two. Do the same thing. It looks a little confused, but that's the way it goes, because you have to stick this in, then screw this one from inside, like this. But it takes time. It could be 15-30 minutes project. For me, it's longer than that, but it gets done. Have to use my cane for a lot of things. Can't waste any time. I have to use my cane. See how this, put this one in. Screw this thing in from inside. Same thing down here. Put your washer. Make sure you don't pour it too hard, because if you do that, you probably break this thing, because that ain't too strong. You stick them in from outside. screw from inside. I see where some people say that that's too hard to do. Screw from inside. They say, and they don't stay. Only reason I can see that maybe that happen. I don't know if you see this side, it looks more flat than this side. So this side is supposed to be the one touch the can. This is be the last one, and I don't know if you've been watching my videos for a while. I always say the last one always the hardest one. Maybe I have to give my wife what I need to do for me. We get it done. It takes a little bit longer than normal, but it will get done. See, my hardest part is I can't use this hand too much. I can hold it, but like if I have to lift this thing where this hand, I got a hard time to pick small things with my fingers. And that's from a stroke that I have in 2021. And I always thank God every day for letting me still be here alive, do the things that I love to do, and share my experience that might be helping, my story maybe help somebody else. They've been in a situation like me. Because believe me, it's so frustrated that you in the bed, laying in the bed, and you looking around, you got a lot of things that you want to do, and you can't do it. And I always push myself because I believe that God do what he gotta do to keep me alive, and I feel like I gotta do my part, keep pushing, keep moving forward. Because one doctor told me it's only way you gonna get healed if you keep moving forward, you keep pushing. If somebody else tell you walk 50 steps, make sure you walk 55 or 60. And that's the way I do. But sometimes it gets to the point where your body is tired and I have to stop, take a break, and start all over again. That's all we can do. Okay, I don't know, you can And you can see from there what it looks like. Look at here. You see?
Good job. Now all the food won't get scratched out on the ground. And
Oh,
it's got a top.
There's
Keep
one
it
more
dry.
thing. One more thing. I got 4 of this cup.
Are you going to set this up on blocks?
Yes.
Or are you going to hang it down from the ceiling?
Well, I think for the first time we're going to put them on block. And if you want to cover them all, so you don't want all the like rats come and eat the chicken food, that's how you cover them up. Pour one of these cups. You're ready for the chicken to eat, you just take them off. It's 4 of them, 1 for each cup.
All right, good job.
That's all. I hope you like this project what we do today. If you like our videos, please like, share, and subscribe. And that helps us to get our channel keep moving forward. It motivated me to share the things that I learned or I able to do with other people. Our dog, I guess, want to be in the video too. Well, thanks for watching our videos. Keep us on your prayers. God bless every one of you guys, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye.